Simplify. Y over x divided by xy over xy minus 1. Well, anytime we're dividing, we can take the inverse and multiply. So let's go ahead and do that the easier way. So y over x is equal to xy minus 1 over xy, quantity squared. Okay, so we can look at this. Only time we can divide things out is if they're all multiplied together. So we could rewrite this. We can think of this as y times xy minus 1 all over x times y, because those are all multiplied on the bottom, and those are multiplied on the top. So the y's will divide out, but we cannot divide out the x's, because this then becomes xy minus 1, all divided by x squared. And we have a minus sign in here, so therefore we can't divide it out. So this would be the solution to this particular problem. Just be careful now when you're inputting these into x, y, z. When you go to input, this looks like xy minus 1 parentheses divided by x squared. And if you don't put the numerator and denominator in parentheses, xy will get confused. And if you get to this point, once you put it in there, go ahead and click on the preview button that's off to the right there. Click on the preview button, and it will then show you, if you have it written like this, it would come up and it'd say xy minus 1 over x squared. And that's what the computer thinks. If you put in xy minus 1 divided by x squared, let me rewrite this like as if it was on the computer screen, x squared. If you write it like that, xy, if you click on the preview here, if you click on preview, it will show you it's xy minus 1 over x squared is what it's thinking. And typically, most students, if they're in trouble, they say, I got the right answer and I input it in, but it's counting it wrong. It's usually because they're not using parentheses correctly to ensure that XYZ knows what it's looking at.